Greetings. Do you ever get emails that have attachments and you wonder how you can download them? And then you also wonder how you can attach them to an email that you want to send? This is important. So today we're going to be talking about how you can download emails and attachments from emails. And we're going to use ChatGPT. And this is AI for Seniors and discussing ChatGPT. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to go into chat, and I'm using chat so that you can learn to do this yourself if you have any questions. So we're going to use the microphone feature because no typing is required and say, chat, how do I download an attachment from an email? Click the check and then press up. And here is a step-by-step guide. Now I'm going to pause on this so that you can read it. And if you need to, you can freeze the screen by clicking that little, the little thing at the bottom where it has the two lines parallel, and it will freeze it there. You press download, and now it may say, where do you save the file? Because it usually goes to the downloads folder. To find it afterwards, you go to the Downloads folder, usually in File Explorer on Windows or Finder in Mac. You can also look at the bottom of your browser screen. Many times it shows downloaded there. Okay, you can also let it know which email service you're using, Gmail, AOL, and I can give you more specific help. So you can do that. Now, let's ask it a second question. Once I have downloaded that email and I've named it, can I file it someplace so that I can find it again? And now we have an answer. And it says cut or copy, for example. This is where you might want to save it, and it tells you exactly what to do. If you have any questions, you ask chat how to do it. All right? Okay. Now, one more question. I have downloaded a file and now I want to attach it to an email that I'm sending. Can I do that? Press the up button. And here are exact directions how you can attach an email. So let's say you get a document that you need to send to family members. Maybe it's a picture. Or you get a document that you want to send to your attorney or your accountant. This is how you do it. Any questions, you can ask chat and get specific instructions. Okay, and if you want chat to walk you through Gmail or AOL specifically, or maybe a Hotmail account, whatever, just tell that chat which one you're using, iCloud, any of them, and chat will give you specific instructions. And that's it for this session. I'm going to stop my share. It's again Joanna Conde, AI for Seniors. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please watch it to the end and click an up button, for thumbs up, and click on that little circle that appears at the very end screen, hover over it, and that's how you can subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching.